Hey everyone, this is Scott Leroy, Scott Leroy Marketing, coming in for another weekly update, and today's update is on our new templates section that you can access. So just a heads up, our templates have been going through a little bit of an update recently. So under the scottleroymarketing.com website, once you sign in with your Market Center number, for agents, you can still hover over agent resources, and under marketing support, we're going to have the template option. Now this is going to look relatively familiar, where it's going to say empower your brand, but if you notice, these templates are accessible with your new KDB Canva Pro platform or KDB Enterprise. All right, please be sure to sign into canva.kdb.com before clicking any of the links for the templates to populate into your account properly. So we're going to have a couple different sections on here of KDB Classic, KDB Luxury, KDB Modern. There's going to be a new KDB Black and White coming out soon. And then our prior SLM templates. So if you're utilizing any of the older ones that we had before this new update, you'll still have access to them as well. Please bear with me on the images on here. Hopefully the next time you sign in here, these will look different. We're still updating those. But once you click on any of these, like the KDB Classic one, for instance, it's now going to give you the option to go through and view all the different templates that are accessible. Once again, please bear with me on these images. We're adding these in as well. But now you'll see all the different options that are accessible. And if you want to filter by the tags, you can do that at the top up here as well. And just make sure that whenever you're searching for something, like maybe you want one that is for social, click done. All right, and then it'll allow you to actually search for those directly if you want to search by the name on here. All right, so it'll all be accessible for you. Now, if I click use in Canva, this is going to take me over where I can actually view all the templates that we've created on here. Now you will want to go through and obviously adjust this information to pull your info over, but once I click View Template, I can then open in the editor, and there we go. Now we have access to all those additional templates on here. And then if you want to, you can also click on the KW option if you have the app downloaded, and then start to actually drag items over as well too. So additional options will be available on here to help out. So I just wanted to give you a heads up. These are some new templates that we've been working on that'll now be accessible for you to take advantage of right away. All right, so it'll all be accessible on here for you to use immediately. So there you go. All right, so whenever you want to go through, please feel free to take advantage of this. Have some fun with it. If you notice, we have some background stuff on here, so feel free to have fun and kind of take advantage of anything and everything you want to. If you want to remove some of the clouds or anything like that we have. All right, all of this is accessible for you, and I hope you enjoy it. We've putting a lot of time and effort into this, so I'm excited to launch these officially. And once again, on our website, we're going to have some examples on here. And then, of course, under the actual template page on here, please bear with us. We are updating these as well. And then we're going to be having a new black and white series coming out very soon. But a lot of different template options that'll be accessible on here, as you can see, that'll all be available for you to utilize right away as a KDB agent. So access these from our template section on scottleroymarketing.com/templates and let us know if you need anything at all. All right, have a great day today.